what we got done on this one is we got true duals with 5-inch tips and 1 3/4 pipe dumped. As you guys can see right there. There they are. Right there. True dual dumps. What do you guys think? Let us know. That's why I did it backwards. Makes it look cooler. We'll let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. There's the stock converters there. And there. And there's the true dual. There we are. What do you guys think? Let us know. Again. This is blowing in my face. Again, there's sound decibels. Very good. Again. So that 1 1/2-inch pipe makes it clap a lot more. If he puts high flow cats on it, they'll get even louder. Make sure you guys follow him on Snapchat. Again, we'll let you guys hear on the inside. GMC Yukon. True dual dumped. 5-inch tips.